coming right now. Where you at?
I'm in front of the building.
Front of your building? You didn't tell me you live in the projects.
Come on.
Make eye contact, man. Be polite. That's it, man. We're gonna get through this, man. Gentlemen, excuse me. I'm just trying to get through. Excuse me.
Y'all but my niggas need to move out the way.
Yo, you go on my G.O. dressed
They going to work, got a job, my nigga. Can't be out here wasting time.
Hey, you, where you going looking all cute and handsome?
Thank you.
He
Thank
look
you.
Nice.
The
Okay,
job.
right.
I go to work. These bitches is always out here.
Yo, my nigga, I know you're not trying to better yourself.
Going to work, my nigga. I'll catch you later.
Yeah.
You try it. Get yourself one. Job.
Oh, you got jokes?
Bums, man. I
You
swear,
got jokes, my nigga? Fuck out of here.
Someone's been trash. You need some good dick in your life, because you are getting on my nerves.
I haven't done none of this
Oh,
in a
you
long
need
time. Girl, he have shit.
Itty bitty ditty committee.
Don't want no short dick, man. If it ain't long and thick, I don't want it.
Well, you need something, because you're fucking driving me crazy.
Bitch, I think this is the...
Yo, let me get a steak and cheese with everything except for tomatoes.
What? My ex hates tomatoes too!
Let me get a tomato sandwich with extra ketchup.
This is me and my ex's song! Yes, that's our song too! Oh my god, this is our favorite! What the fuck? Oh my god, baby, look at you! Such a gentleman like that.
Huh? What they say? They say Big Soldier ain't from the hood. Hey, man. What's happening? Hey. Come on, man. Hey, they say Big Soldier ain't from the hood. What's up, blood? They say...
Fuck off. We tripping over here, cuz. This trip over here, cuz. Son, that's... Son. I call shotgun, bro. Son, why you
here? I got shotgun already, my
At the end
nigga.
of the day, that's not fair,
So
bro.
what? Stop
You do that
screaming.
shit all the time.
Stop screaming. What's your mannerization, nigga? Get in the back.
Son, you do that shit all the
If you
time.
just said it nicely, nigga, maybe I'll let you in.
Okay. Ty, can I please get in the front seat? I called shotgun.
No! Come on, don't keep walking by my mixtape, baby. Little donation, little small.
I never even heard your music.
When you get home, you hear it. When you get home, you hear it. Fucking bitch. Fuck is wrong with you? We a favorite rapper, love.
Dave East.
Dave East? Same shit. My mixtape the same shit. I spit the same shit. It's all written, baby. Here you go. Here you go, my new mixtape. Here you go. Here you go. Whoa. That ain't free, ma. That ain't free. At least $5. Come on, you can't donate something. Excuse me.
Yes.
Disrespect. I see you at work. I see you
That's
at
what
work.
you want to call it.
What's your name?
Ikea, but you can call me Kia. Most of my friends call
Beautiful,
me Kiki.
like.
Thank you.
I'm cold. Me too.
It's a lot of kids.
It's not that many.
How old are you?
I'm 23. 1, 2. You ain't gotta keep counting.
Listen, I don't want to hold you up enough.
Oh, you're not holding me up,
See you
boo.
at
This is
work
what I
and
do
everything.
every day.
This is what you do. You're
I'm motherhood, my nigga. Motherhood.
babysitter.
No, dummy. These are my kids.
I mean kids.
Nah.
Alright, well, you should have been out the fucking door.
I'm out.
Get your little stank toothbrush.
Say no more.
One
Say
pair of
no more.
Jordans. That's all you got. One nigga only got one pair of shoes. One nigga got one pair of shoes. No, that's my cat. Thank you. I don't care.
It's petty, yo.
Okay, that's my cat.
I'm out. I'm
Now
out.
scoot your ass out. Get the fuck out. Get the
My
petty.
I bought this shit.
So you is petty as fuck. So what? We're just gonna get drunk with the next bitch? Give me this.
No, it's not done. Grandma, it's not done. It's not done. It's not done. What's up, everybody, man? Thank you for all the birthday wishes. Yes, it's my birthday.
Our birthday.
It's my birthday.
Our
and
birthday.
I appreciate everybody
We appreciate it.
everybody that been holding me down for throughout
Us
the year.
down.
Baby, it's my birthday. Like, come on.
It's our birthday.
You can't. You stealing my birthday.
It's our birthday. Thank you guys.
Come on, for real.
Your man wildin' right here.
Fam, you gotta take that Bronx shit off your head before you get your head taken off. Pause.
This Harlem, my nigga, don't get it fucked up.
Nigga, you from Harlem or the Bronx? Which one, B?
Fucks with Harlem and the Bronx. My nigga's not even that
This
serious.
nigga here.
What part, my G?
Harlem.
Yeah, what part of Harlem or Bronx? Nigga, you walking around here looking like a fucking tourist right now, my nigga. Straight up.
Nigga, you bugging trying to confuse niggas. Where's you from, fam? Straight up. Where you?
Hello?
Ty, he broke up with me.
He what?
Where the fuck did you come from?
It's over between y'all?
Yes.
That nigga's out of your life like it's over.
Yes.
That's crazy.
I know.
He hurt you?
I don't know if maybe he found a better bitch than me. Maybe
Why
she
would
got.
he do that to you?
Maybe
Come
she got
here.
big titties.
I can't believe it's over. I'm getting got that D, got that D for sale. We out here, my nigga.
Let's start without me, right?
Late, my nigga. I'm trying to get this money.
I want to get this money.
It's slow, nigga. Ladies, got that D.
Yo, we got that D for sale. Come get it.
7 to 10 inches when you make him happy.
He's offering dick. He's selling dick. Go check that shit out, bro.
Yo, I'm a grower, not a shower, ladies.
We got that D.
What you got,
What's
Bucky?
up?
So you selling some dick?
Yeah, you got some D, yeah.
Murder shit. You ain't gotta worry about nothing out here, know what I'm saying? Anybody fucking with you, you let me know. That ass.
let you know.
I be fucking niggas up. Niggas know about me out here. Every fucking block. Real fucking talk, you heard? Facts only, my nigga, you heard? Real fucking G out in these streets. That ass. Come on, let's go to the store.
See over there? I was selling drugs over there. Had a shootout over there. It was popping out here. Like, know what I'm saying? I was running.
Yep.
It's official. It's over.
Yeah, pretty much. Yes.
Moved on.
Yes.
Alright.
I mean, what you
Let
want
me
me
ask
to
you
do?
a question.
What?
You love this nigga?
Do I love? Yes, I love him. Oh my, what's wrong? What?
Fucking love.
Oh my, you bugging right now. Relax. Oh my God. You need to chill.
It's scrap! Smoke weed all day! Take back to jail!
12, I clap niggas.
Put him out here, scrap! 18, shoot everything down! This is my house, from the hood! I ain't scared of no jail, this is what I do!
Go back, fresh out, nigga. Ain't nothing to go back. These three right here? Yo, what's up with you? You're the tallest one. What's up, man? Stay right there. What you doing? You like commissary? Come on,
Hey,
snacks.
What's going on? It's 3 o'clock. I've been calling you all night.
Oh,
She's sucking dick.
oh my God.
Nigga,
what are you
who the
doing?
fuck are you?
Oh my God, why are you doing this to me?
Kick him out of your car now.
That's not happening, my nigga.
Oh my God, I'm so
I've been
sorry.
feeding her fucking meat all night, nigga. Fuck out of here. While you at work, she taking dick, nigga. Calm down. You wanna see what she doing right? Selling candy today, not for no school uniforms. Not to go to school. I'm trying to get some sneakers, some Jordans, some red bottoms for my girl, know what I'm saying? This is what I'm doing right now, know what I'm saying? Yo, watch where you going.
Showtime, folks. Showtime. What time is it? Here we go. The worst show. A bad and sad show. Bad because I'm good.
What?
Sad because I'm by myself. Here I go.
Yo, fam, I don't see me over here selling my... Like the black?
I'm trying to figure out why you not answering your phone. I've been calling you all day. You think you about to just fuck me and
Why
not
you
answer?
over here? Yeah, I fucked you, and you got
Who the
dick.
fuck is you talking to, you broke ass bitch? Don't try to play me.
Yeah, you bugging right now. I fucked you. No strings attached.
strings attached.
That was it. No relationship shit like that.
All right, since you want to play me, tell these niggas how you ate my ass. Don't fuck after him.
She lying.
No, I'm not lying. I'm not lying.
Come on, you serious?
Yeah.
Yo, what's up, son?
Fresh out. What's good, baby?
Keep it down. My arm upstairs, man.
Your aunt? Oh, okay.
Yeah, you already know.
How old is your aunt?
What you mean, how?
You know
How you been, son?
chilling, baby. You know how it is in these streets.
You already know. You want something to drink?
Nah, I was checking out these pies. You got the peach
Yo,
cobbler.
yo.
Oh, you got the family
Yo,
size?
chill.
What's up?
Yo, chill. Stop playing, son.
What's up, man? How long we
You know
go
I'm not-
back?
You know I'm
What's up, fellas? What's up? We men, y'all. You're not supposed to be hating on other men doing great for themselves. We men. Don't hate on that woman over there, taking care of family, doing what she doing, especially if it's positive. Yo.
Yeah.
Nigga just graduated high school.
Okay.
Diploma, you see it?
Come get this drug money.
Nah, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah.
Oh my
you
God,
see
you
me?
look so nice in your
Shining,
cap and
got it.
gown. Me too.
Bitch 21, still in motherfucking 10th grade.
Nigga, you graduated today?
You know I did it
Calm
today.
down. Calm
You
down.
know
Ain't
I
that
did it
serious.
today. You could have been walking with me, baby, but you dropped out.
Yo, who?
Yeah.
What?
You dropped out.
Who you talking to?
How you gonna
Man, Meek out here, everybody out here. Don't want no problems with nobody, man.
My nigga, you good already.
You sure I'm good out here?
Yo, I hate Cali, my nigga. It's a calm flex, bro. It's
Good,
lit,
bedroom,
my nigga.
good, bedroom.
He's ready for the war and shit, done shit. This nigga is
What's up? I ain't seen you in a couple of days. What's been happening?
Yo, what do you want from me, B?
Nothing.
Just came to check on you, see how you was doing. Why? I ain't been on the gram. I know. I'm only playing your fucking game because there's nothing else to do. But don't you ever DM me no bullshit like that again.
Let's just hope I don't have to.
Tell me if you think I'm bullshitting.
Excuse me, how was your day?
Worry about your bus.
I didn't ask you.
I know, but worry about your bus.
I asked you how was your day.
You waiting for the bus, right? You waiting for the bus, right? That's your bus,
Yeah,
right?
get on the bus.
It's about to leave you.
I asked you how was your day.
Ah, okay. How was your Metro card?
Well,
You have-
fam,
What's
don't,
up?
don't go in there, fam.
Why not?
Don't go in there. What you about to order?
Half a chicken.
Have a chicken?
Yeah.
I got whole chickens. I got whole chickens.
Whole
across the
chickens
street.
across the street?
What? I got
What?
whole chickens.
Okay.
What you about to order,
Give me
fam?
some
Don't go in there.
Chinese.
What you need?
Chicken wings and French fries.
Chicken wings and French fries?
Yeah.
I got that in my freezer across the street. I got
Freezer?
you. Go
Across the street? What you
Go
mean?
across the
I
street,
want
fam.
some
I got
Chinese,
you.
my
shit-
man.
shit-
Chinese
go across the
food.
street. Chicken wings and French fries. That's not even Chinese
What?
food, my nigga. Go across the street.
Oh,
You
that
for
shit.
real?
Oh, nigga. Hey, crap. Fuck you talking about? Yo, nigga, I swear to God, next nigga that come through getting fucking late. Nigga, that's from my mother, bro.
Why I fucking took this way, B? No other way is the train, yo?
I had to do something crazy that'll make these niggas leave me alone.
Who the fuck is this conceited in the face looking motherfucker, man? Walking up this block.
You got something for me to
It's
take
over
from
for
you?
this nigga.
Stop talking back to me in the street. Hey, yo, want me to bust some side? Walk. Push that shit. Push that shit like you be pushing that work on the block. Fucking love you. I'm about to be a daddy, nigga. I'm about to be a daddy.
Yo, my box hurting, God.
Don't worry about it, baby. I'm about to get back in that box when that baby come out. It's lit, New York. Do it for Queens, baby. Do it for Harlem, baby. Huh? Brooklyn in this bitch, you heard? Huh? Bronx.
Read the shit now out loud. Now.
Ladies, stop FaceTiming me.
Stop FaceTiming us. That's our phone.
Stop FaceTiming us.
You doing good. Keep reading, my nigga.
Number one is FaceTime is a form of cheating.
Factory. Keep fucking reading, my nigga.
I'm reading it. I should not be looking at no other woman in her face.
My God. What's up, G's? I'm not even gonna hold you. You understand how lit it's about to be, my nigga?
Word of my constructs, I'm never gonna leave you.
Son, I vow to always switch my hair up. Braids, lace closures, silk closures, wigs, like weaves, regular waves.
Factory.
Life is always gonna be lit under here. Violate that shit, boy.
I got you, my
Yeah.
G.
Yeah,
I
do
got
that.
you.
Do that.
Huh?
Violate my shit, my nigga. Come on.
How you like that dick, sis?
Oh, nigga.
Ah,
Yeah.
got you.
What you talking about?
Oh, man.
What we talking about?
I'm getting fucking more turned on
Come
them
on.
ashy ass ankles,
And my shit
sis.
getting caught on the fucking plane.
Oh, mother, I could just punch you dead in your jaw
Snuff
right
me,
now.
boy.
This shit dumb.
Snuff me, boy. Oh, your shit valid, boy. Your shit valid. I'm about to nut on your shit, though, for real.
Oh shit, my ex.
Oh shit, they got my ex.
Grab my ex.
Word? Yo, give me my arms, yo. With my new boo, huh? Had to upgrade on these bitches.
Oh really?
Hey, what is you doing, yo? What are you doing?
When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts.